Howdy ho. How are you all doing? Good? Good. Right, today I'm going to do a shilling. UK 1948, 1 shilling. This is the baby of the 2 shillings. That's just a bit grubby. Okay. So first of all, yep, same old. Let's bang a hole in it. I use a small punch, small coin, small punch, 3/8 punch. Let's go over. Oh dear, she's dripping again. Big Bertha's dripping on me again. What is she like? Naughty girl. Right. This is 20-ton hydraulic press. See, look at that. Again, she's dripping on me. But there you go. I have that effect. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. Hang out. There we go. We're still going to have the date on it. That's why I use a small punch. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. I still haven't got over this head cold yet. I'm still full of it. You know, lethargic, got no go in me. Been going on for about, what, 3 weeks now. Did you know if you dropped a mirror and it shattered into 1,000 pieces, each individual piece would become its own separate mirror? Did you know that? Not a lot of people know that. Right. That's now nice and clean. So we'll show a bit of love with Bernie. I do custom orders. So if you're looking for a ring, I'll happily make you one. There you go. A little bit warm. Just a little bit. And obviously we want this on the sunny side up on the ring. So this is 17-degree folding die. This goes face down. The side you want sunny side up on the ring goes face down in the die. Right, that looks pretty sexy. Let's go with the big red. I'll break out Sandy. You just want to clean up the edge to make sure there's no cracks forming or splits. Yeah, you ain't going to believe this. It's plus 5 here today in Finland, or Helsinki. further north, okay, yeah, it's cold, but here, if the sun's out, the snow's melting, +5. Gee, I mean, January and February in Finland are the coldest and the most snow. You'll probably pay for it later on, you know, next month or the end of this month. I'll go to the UK the end of, what, February, see my friends. I'll spend a week there. Drink some decent beer. Right, there you go. That's nice. So, we've got any, yeah, there's a bit of kitchen roll here. We're going to go over to some our favourite tool. This is a ring stretcher, and he stretches your ring. Right, what's that like? Not even close to fitting me. So I show it a bit more love with Bernie. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there, I can adjust the size. You can also send me your own coins, which quite a few people do nowadays. Okie dokie. Just quench it. Bear, your ring should be well on its way by now. I posted it first class as well, so you should get it pretty soon. Like I say, if you're not happy with it, you can send it back and I can adjust it for you or give you a refund. I think you'll like it. Right, what we got? That's looking quite good. I want to cut this lip out now. You see there's a little lip in there. If you don't cut that out, it's uncomfortable to wear, and it gives you a false sizing, because you've got that little 1/2 mm lip all the way around. Once you cut that out, the whole of the ring is the same. Whoops daisy. See, I'm over there again. Sorry about that. I'm trying to watch what I'm doing, and then I look at the monitor, and I'm over there somewhere. Stupid boy. Bit more. Yeah, it's beautiful today. Sunny. Well, the old sunnies. Put the old sunnies on today. I went to the shop to get some cat food and stuff. My cats are so bloody choosy, especially the girl cat. I mean, Tomcat, he'll eat anything. Otto, he'll eat anything. But she has a sniff and turns the nose up, buggers off. Right, now we want to use the bottom end of Spike, and we want to straighten his walls up. So, this is the bottom end of Spike. These are reduction dies. This comes with the whole thing. was that a bit too far? Maybe a touch more. A touch. Yeah, nice and straight. Right. Let's break out Kate Bush. And this is the same as Quad Zero steel wool, just about. I'll just give this the Edwin look. If you want them highly polished, I'll do it for you. But with the Edwin look, you can see the detail a lot easier. Yeah, it's looking quite good. I do clear coat my rings as well, but it doesn't last forever. I clear coated this one, this Australian one I made a few days ago. And the first day I wore it on this finger, and it started to make my finger go a little bit green, but now it's okay. It's not doing anything. I keep it there all the time and it's okay. There you go, folks. 1 UK shilling. $19.48. Where's the 19? There it is. So there you go, folks. 1 UK shilling ring. It's my little finger nearly. What size have we got? I can adjust these. This isn't for anybody in particular. This is a size 60.5. US size, we've got a size 9.5. So there you go, folks. 1 UK shilling. And if you'd like to hit the subscribe button, there's a little button there, a little red button. Hit it. Come on. Stop mucking around. Hit that little button. You'll be subscribed. Hit the bell icon. You'll also be notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening. Have a great day tomorrow. And I'll see you tomorrow with a bit of luck. Take it easy. Tell me bye-bye.